Hello, good morning to everyone. Now we will start question number 2 of 8.2. Okay, question number 1 we have already finished. So first question number 2, write the numbers in the following place value table in the decimal form. So it is already given in place value table. We have to write the number in decimal form. So first we are doing first part. What is? So always remember how to write. What is the place value of 100? 0. 0 into 100. Now plus tens value. Place value of tens 0. 0 multiply 10. Plus what is place value of ones? 3 into 1. Plus place value of tenth 2. So 2 multiply tenth mean 1 upon 10. Plus place value of 100 5. Multiply 1 by 100 plus 1000 is 1 by 0. Okay, so now 0 into 100 0, 0 into 10 0, plus 3 into 1 3, 2 into 1 2 upon 10, plus 5 into 1 5 divided by 100 plus 0. 0 into 1, 0 into any number is 0. I am writing 0, this one like this one. Okay, now so find. Okay, you can write this one 3 plus 2 by 10 plus 5 by 100. So now we will write in decimal form. So what we will write? We can write 3 plus 2 upon 10. How many 0 in denominator? 1. So it's mean after decimal how many digit will come? 1. So 0.2 plus 5 divided by 100. How many 0 in denominator? 2. So it means after decimal 2 digit. 0. 1 is already given. So 1 is 0. Don't write 0.50. It is 0.5 not 5050. Okay. So 0. Now you can add. And how will we add? Everyone know. If you don't know, you can add in rough like this one. 3 plus 0.2 always. So 3 what you can write? If it is 3 you can write 3.0 or you can write 3.000 any. If we add 0 after decimal, the answer will not change. So what is 3? 3 we can write 3.0. 0.2 always write decimal in the same line. Okay, and next is 0.05. Add this one. How will we add? Again we know here is the 2. After decimal how many digit? 2. So here also you can add 0 0. Then answer we will not change if we add 0 in last. So 5 plus 0 0. So 5 2 now 3. So what is answer? 3.25. And if you know, you can add directly also. Otherwise you can add like this method. Okay. So it is the number is given in a place value. Now we will write in decimal form. I think you can write yourself all the second part also. How will you write second part? We will write like this one. 1 into place value is 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 2 into 1 6 into 1 upon 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100 and 0 multiply 1 by 1000. Again 1 into 100 100, 0 into 10 0, 2 into 1 2, 6 into 10 6 upon 10, 3 upon 100 plus 0. So like this one we will write and add this one. It is right. Okay. So solve yourself this question. Question number 2. Okay. Next is question number 3. Question number 3 we have given. Now number is given in decimal. Okay, 0.29 and we have to write in place value. Yes, It is place value ones. It is tenth. It is 100. Next is 1000. So what is place value of 100 is 0. Tens is 0. Ones is 0. Tenth is 2. And 100th is 9. And it is 0. So it is very simple. You can write one more. E part. E part is given 200.182. Yes. After decimal, tenth, 100th and 1000. It is ones, tens, hundreds. What is 2, 0, 0, 8, 1, 2. It is our answer. Okay. So it is very simple. You will write yourself. Okay. Do yourself. Question number 3 also. Question number 4. Question number 4 is given. Write each of the following as a decimal. Same question as it is. As question we are already writing. Second question. Only one part I will explain it here. D part. D part is 23 plus 2 upon 10 plus 6 upon 100. We have to write in decimal. So decimal. So 23 plus 2 upon 10. How many? 0 in denominator 1. So it means after decimal only one digit. Plus how many 0 in denominator? 2. So it means after decimal how many? 2 0. So it means so it is only one digit. 0.06. So 2 digit after decimal. 1, 2. First, if only we observe here in the numerator is only one digit, but in denominator 2 0. So first, so 2 0 it means after decimal 2 digit. So first, if only one digit, so 1 we will add 0 and 0.6 like this one. Okay, don't write like this 0.60. It is wrong. Okay, because 0.60 mean 0.06 mean when we remove decimal 60. Remove decimal 60 by 100, but our in question is given 6 by 100, so it is wrong. Okay, and it is right. You can check it. So 0.06 remove. So 6. How many decimal? 20. So 6 divided by 100. So 06 mean 0.06 by 100. It is right. Understand it? So now we will add. So how will we add? If you don't know, so we will write 23.0. What is 0.2? Always write, remember one line. Always remember one thing. Decimal always should be in same line. Okay. 0.06. Now we like 6, 2, 3, 2. So 23.26. 20. And don't we read like this one 23.26. No, after decimal always we will read digit by digit 23.26. Okay, like this one 48.1872 given. So we will read 48.1872. Right? Like this we will read the in decimal. Okay. Next is question number, very easy questions is given. Right, question number 5. Write each of the following decimal in word. We have to write in word. So how will write? So word, what is given? So 1.20 B part. How will write? So we will write 1. Yes, point in word, and after decimal always in digit by digit. 1.20. One more part, C part. Okay, C part is 108.56. So we will write what is before. That is 1. Don't write 108. Before decimal always we will read like a number. So 100, 108, 108 point. Now we will not write 56, we will write 0.56. Understand it? It is your answer. So do rest of the part also yourself. Next is question number 6. Question number 6 is given. Between which two number in 10th place on the number line does each of the given number? Okay, so we have to write first part 0.06. Same as it is. This question we already finished in. Exercise 8.1. Same as it is, we have to write 0.06 is lies between which numbers. Okay, so always remember, so 0 point something is lies between. So you can write it is lies between 0 and 1. So it means 0.01, 0.02 come. Before 0.06, what is come? 0.01, 0.03, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05, 0.06, 7, 8 and 9. Next is 0.10. So 0.10, what you can write? 10 divided by 100. So 0 cut by 0. What is 1 by 10? 1 by 10, what you can write? 0 by 1. Okay. So 0.10 you can write 0.1 also. So you can write 0.06 is lies between 0.01 and 0.1. It is your answer. Okay. Next is next questions of 6th question, B part. Okay. And otherwise you can take, it is 0 also you can take if you want to, between 0 and 1, because before 0.01 what is come? 0.00, 0.00, 0.01, 0.2 and this one, because we have to next is, it's okay. Now next is B part, 0.05. We have to find 0.45 is lies between does each the given number line. Between which two number in 10th place? So we have to find 0.05. It is given up to 100, but we have to find this number is lies between two number whose 10th place value is given. Okay, so it means, so tell me before 0, so what will come? So 0.0, 0.41, 0.42, 0.43, 0.44. Next is 0.05, 0.06, 0.07, 8, 0.09. So 0.5. So it is lies between 0.0, because in the question examiner is asking we have to find up to only 10th place. So 0.040, what we can write? 40 divided by 100. So 0 cut by 0. So 4 by 10. What is 4 by 10? 0.4. So write 0.05 is lies between 0.4 and, now which one is next is the up to 10th place, because 0 it is up to 10th place, we have to write answer in up to 10th place, because but it is 0.04. Everyone know 0.05 is lies between 0.44 and 0.46, but in the examiner is asking up to 10th place. So up to 10th place, what we will write? So up to 10th place. Otherwise you can write like this one. Okay, like this one also you can write. One more, it is before 0.45, what will come? 0.44, next is 0.45, next is 0.46. Okay, 0.47, 0.48, 0.49 and 0.50. So next we have to find this number 0.05 is lies between two number whose 10th place is here. So it means its 10th place up to 0.4. So lies between 0.4 and its 10th place 0.4. It is possible any number lies between 0.4 and 0.4. No. So it means we will take 0.50. So 0.50, what is 50 divided by 100? 0 cut by 0. What is 0.5? Okay. So you can write like this one. Otherwise, to write so 0.05 is lies between 0.4 and 0.5. One more part. It is D part. Okay. 0.06. So 0.06 it is 0.66. After before this one 0.65, and we have to take in part 0.66 is lies between, and it is 0. So before this one, what will come? Up to 10th place. What is up to 10th place? 0.6. So between 0.6 and, but after this one, what is? It is also 0.6. It is possible any number lies between 0.6 and 0.6. Can you tell me any number which is lies between 5 and 5? No, we don't know. So we have to take one is, if I ask you which number is lies between 5 and 6, you will say, sir, 5.1, 5.2. But any number lies between 5 and 5, same number, can you tell me? No. We cannot find. So what we will do? So we will take the next 0.6. After 0.6, what is come? 0.7. So 0.6 is lies between 0.6 and 0.7. Now you understand it? How to find? So always, so it is very simple. One more. F part 0.57. So it is lies between 0.5 and 0. Next is 0.6. You can find. Okay. So write yourself. Next is question number 7. Last question. Write as fraction in lowest term. We have to write in fraction. So which one part? C part 0.75. 0.75. So 0.75, how will you write? So 75 divided by 100. So lowest, in lowest, we have to write in fraction in the lowest term. So how will you find? We will cut their common factor. It can divide by 5. Yes. 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 5. 3 is 5. 4 is what is 3 by 4. Same as it is, you can find G part 0.066. So remove decimal 66. After decimal, how many digit? 1 2 3. So 3 0 1 2 3. So we will cut by first. It is also divided by 2. It is also divided by 2. 2 3 3 5. Yes. Can you divide further? No. There is no number which can divide both numbers. So what is the answer? 33 divided by 500. Okay. Next exercise is 8.3 we will do. Very easy exercise it is, because till now we already learned what is decimal number, how to compare. So now which one number is greater we have to find. Suppose like this one. If I ask you 0.07 and 0.1, which one is greater? So it is very difficult because it is meaning. Look at one thing. So suppose if I ask you 0.08 and 0.05, which one is greater? You can say, sir, it is 8 is out of 100 and it is 5 is out of 100. We only remove decimals, okay? And everyone know both the denominator is same. It is become a fraction, and fraction everyone know how to compare. Yes, everyone know. It is 8 is out of 100. It is 5 out of 100. So we make denominator is same. So it means which one is greater? Which one is numerator? So 8 by 100 is greater. But if I ask you 0.08 and 0.1, which one is greater? How will you find? So first we will remove decimal. 8 by 100. It is 1 by 10. So which one is greater? 8 is out of 100. 1 is out of 10. Some students we will say, sir, 8 by 100 is greater. No. First we will make denominator is same. So denominator how will you make same? It is 8 by 100. So always what we will do? How will you make the denominator is same? 100. So first we will take the LCM. LCM of 10 and 100 is 100. So 1 by 10. What number you will multiply by 10? Then it is become 100. 100. So 1 into 10. In numerator and denominator multiply by the same number. So 10 by 100. So 1 by 10 mean 10 by. So 8 by 100 and 1 by 10 mean 10 by 100. So which one is greater? 10 by 100. So always remember whenever we will compare, we will write in the same. After decimal how many? After decimal how many digits? 2. So here only 1. So here also we will make 2 digits. How will we write? Look at. So 0.08. Next is 0.1. After decimal how many digits? 2. So here also we will write after decimal 2 digits because look at 10 by 100 2 digits. So it means 0.1 and we can add 0 in if after decimal we can add 0. The answer will not say 1 0. Now 2 0 2 0. Now how will we compare? Yes, ones place is equal. Now tenth place it is 0, it is 1. So which one is greater? 1 is greater. So it is greater. It is very simple. Understand it? So like this we will compare. So look at. First we will exercise 8.3. So first is A part. We have to find 0.3 and 0.4. So which number is greater? So first we observe that here also after decimal 1 digit. Here is also after 1 digit. So it's mean. So we will write 0 0. Ones place is equal. After ones place it is 10th is 3. It is 4. So which one is greater? 4. So this number is greater 4. So we will write. So we will write like this one. So we will write the 10th part. So which one is greater? 10th. The 10th part of 0.4 is greater than 0.3. Yes, 10th part of this one 4. It is 3 is greater. So therefore 0.4 3 and this one 0.4. It is greater. Understand it? So like this one we will write. Next is. It is very simple exercise. You can do yourself. Okay. One more. Suppose question number B part. Now C part 3 and it is 0.08. So we observe it is 0 point something and after decimal here after decimal how many digit? Here is 2 and here is no decimal. So you can write 3.00 and 0.0. After decimal 2 digit. Here is also 2. So we observe that here whole part is 3. Here whole part is 0. So which one is greater? So this one. So we write the whole part. Before decimal we will say whole part. The whole part 3.0 is greater than whole part of 0.08. So therefore 3.00. So which one whole part? This one. So 0.08. It is greater. Okay. So like this one you can solve. Next part is which one? We will write E part. Okay. 1.23, and we have to find which one is greater or lesser. So 1.2. So we will observe whole part is same 1. After decimal how many digit? Here is 2. Here is only 1. So first we will make after decimal same digit. So this one you can write 1.20. Now whole part 1. 10th part is also 2 same. So we cannot say which, but is 100th part is 3. It is 100 part is 0. So which one is greater? So this one. So you can write the 100th part. The 100th part of 1.23 is greater than 1.20, greater than 100th part of 1.20, because one's place is same, 10th is place same. Now we will check this one. So therefore 1. It is meaning 3 dot mean therefore 1.23 is greater than 1.20. Understand it? So like this one you can solve all the questions. Okay. Understand or not? So same as it is. One more part I am telling you. Last part. J part. So J part 5.64 and next is 5.603. So now we will observe. Here is after decimal 2 digit. Here is 3. So first we will write 5.60. Here is also 3 digit. 5.603. Now we observe that one's value 5. 10th 6 same. Now 10th is 4. 10th is 0. So which one is greater? 4. So therefore it is greater. It is finished. Okay. It is very simple. So do this exercise yourself also. Okay, so we have finished 8.3 also. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Good day.